We're going to show you how to request a proposal or create a customer. As a sales rep, as you can see, I'm logged in as a sales rep. It is essentially the same thing within the Solo system. You'll notice there's a couple different access points to get to the new customer creation screen. The first one will be right here where it says new customer. You can click on that, or you can come into the hamburger menu on the far left side, click on that, customers, create. They will both take you to the same screen. I've got some test information already loaded up here. You'll notice that we've got the customer information on this side. This will be name, phone number, email. This information can be changed in real time on the proposal later. So if you do make an error or you leave a number out of their phone number, something like that, you can fix that very quickly on another screen. What's more important is to make sure that this location information is correct, because that is the location where we will provide the design. Go ahead and click next once you've ensured that's correct. It will drop a pin wherever you've put that address in. If you need to move that pin or tag the house, go ahead and just click on any rooftop that you see that is the correct house. To better locate the house, you can rotate the map. You can also zoom in, you can zoom out, or you can grab this yellow guy here for street view. Once you've ensured that you've got the pin on the right house, go ahead and hit next. And this will be where you upload the utility information. The best way to do this is if you have a list of the 12 months of usage, go ahead and just type those in month by month into all of these boxes. If you have a utility bill, and this needs to be a complete utility bill, it cannot be a snippet, it cannot be a picture of just the graph, it needs to be a complete utility bill. If you have that, go ahead and click on Upload Utility Bill. You'll choose your file, hit Submit, and then that will upload. If you don't have either of those two things, but you want to make a guesstimate so that you can get a proposal and edit the consumption later, you can click Enter Yearly Usage, type in a yearly usage amount in kilowatt hours, and then you'll be good to go there. The next section will allow you to select between real-time or next-day proposals. Real-time should be deliverable within 10 minutes or less. Next day will be within 24 hours or less. There is a cost difference between these two, so please consult with your admin, sales manager, or owner on deciding which one to request and which one is appropriate for your time frame. Please verify the utility company that the customer resides in. If the offset is anything different than what your standard is, you can type in 100 there, and then the lead type that this customer is. We'll just say it's a self-gen. Once you've done that, you'll type in any notes here. This notes section is very important because if there's any type of one-off scenario or extenuating circumstance that we need to be aware of when doing this design, this is a very important place to put this in here so that we can get you the correct proposal initially and not have to go through back and forth on the chat screen. This helps our designers understand what you need and what you want, and then get it right the first time. Once you've got all this information in here and it's all correct, you go ahead and click Submit on the bottom of the screen, and that will submit your customer for a proposal.